Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can make your side-by-side street legal with the help of Montana Tags. Now, Montana Tags is a service that basically sets up an LLC for you in Montana using their address, which allows you to register vehicles there under your LLC. And because the vehicles are registered under the LLC and they're the technical owner, it doesn't matter where you live in the United States. You do not have to be a Montana resident because your LLC is a Montana resident and that is the owner of the vehicle. Now the process for doing this is actually super simple. You're going to click the link in the description, that's going to take you to the Montana Tags website, and then you're going to want to purchase the side-by-side package. That's going to include the registration of your first side-by-side and the formation of the LLC. So once you purchase that, you fill out all the information like what you want your LLC name to be, and then they're going to go and form the LLC for you. Once that's done, then we can handle the registration of the first vehicle. Now if you already own your side-by-side, what you're going to basically do is sell your side-by-side from yourself to your Montana LLC. So you're going to take your title, you're going to sign that as the seller. Do not fill out any of the buyer information because they will do that for you. Once you've got the title signed and notarized as the seller without any of the buyer information filled out, you're going to fill out a Montana bill of sale as well. That will also need to be notarized. And then again, do not fill out any of the buyer information. Just fill out what you need to as the seller. They're going to handle everything as the buyer once you send it to them. And then the last thing you need to do is fill out a Montana inspection form. So the great part about doing this is there is no state inspections in Montana. You get to do the inspection yourself. So there's a little checklist that you print out. You make sure that everything that you need to have on the vehicle to be street legal is there. You check everything off, sign it, and then you're going to take those three documents, the inspection form, the bill of sale, and the title or MSO, whatever your state has. Everything that's notarized or needs to be notarized is notarized, and then you're going to mail that stuff to Montana Tags. Once they get it, they're going to be the ones that take it to the DMV there, get everything registered, and then a couple of weeks later, you'll get some plates in the mail and the registration for your side-by-side. So once you get the plates on and you have everything you need on there, like turn signals, mirrors, everything that was on the inspection checklist to be street legal, you're good to go. You're ready to drive downtown, get dinner, do whatever you want. I mean, you guys have seen everything I've done over the course of the last few years. I've gone door dashing, I've driven all the way from our place in Minnesota to US Bank Stadium. I've driven to work every single day for a week. The possibilities are really endless with this. You guys can have fun with it. The other cool thing about this is that Montana doesn't charge any sales tax. So if you haven't bought your side-by-side yet, you can set up your LLC ahead of time and then buy your side-by-side with your LLC and you won't have to pay any sales tax. So not only does the service pay for itself, but it often ends up saving you a lot of money in the long run. And you're not just limited to doing this with side-by-sides. You can do it with cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles. I bought my 2020 F-250 with my LLC, and it ended up saving me about $5,000 because I didn't have to pay any sales tax. Also, I used it to make my 2020 Yamaha WR450 street legal. Same process there, super easy. Also, motorcycles and quadricycles have permanent registration in Montana, so once you do everything the first time, you put the plate on, you never have to worry about renewing anything. Honestly, at the end of the day, if you're going to spend, $30,000 on a side-by-side, to not spend an extra $800-900 to make it street legal is pretty insane, especially when, like I mentioned, the service will often pay for itself and end up saving you money in the long run. So once again, if you guys are interested, head down in the description, click on the link there, that'll take you to Montana Tags, and get started today. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I will help you guys out. I've been doing this for a few years now. I've done this X3, I've done my old white one, which you guys saw. Like I said, I did my motorcycle, my truck, so yeah, thanks for watching.
Cartier's a skeleton and I got emeralds in the cut. All my niggas convicted felons, but all I got is us. I stay down till I got it right now. My car interior plush. I pop champagne bottles up, but all I sip is tuss. I'm a street nigga for eternity, I ain't changing up. You know where I belong, bitch, so never bring it up. I got lots of rent. I see no competitor. We ain't gon' count it up. If that shit don't make the news. what you want. I come through with my top off, motor in the trunk. If another rapper overdose, they might try to charge me. Miley, person, codeine, they look at me, God,